Welcome everyone to this new video where we discuss ChatGPT's new feature, the new project that they have launched. So this is something that I'll quickly show you here. If you go here, if you see there is some project option, I have created something for WhatsApp summary of the notes that I do. How to do that? You need to just do plus. You need to write a name of a project. So I have a project that I want to do of LinkedIn Bold. So what I'm going to do is I will right here LinkedIn post bold create project. So the project is created. You can add files, you can add instructions. What instructions I will add? I will just take the old bold template that I have initially used, and this is something that I have been doing for some time, and I will be okay. So now I take this bold important words and I go to the challenge and I put the instruction here. You can bold the important words and hook highlights. This is for a LinkedIn post. Make extra the star. So this is something that is going to be saved in your instruction, and whenever you have any LinkedIn post that you want to take and you want to do, so this instruction you don't need to keep writing it again and again. Suppose I go and I just for example I want to take one post from my normal post that I have written. Let me just take this one just for the sake of it, and I will go here and just enter, nothing else. Take the post, enter, and can you see it has become bold accordingly? Can you see this abstract takeaways? It has taken this and it has made it bold. You can also add few things again in the instruction. You can go back to the instruction. Sorry, where is my? I am here right now. Project. So this is inside the project. This chat is happening. So I go here. Then I can write here. Make sure no emoji. Right, just to be this thing. And again you want to try save this. So because sometimes, so you can play around with this and you can try to do this again. So I will just copy this LinkedIn post code and I will paste it again. So every post that I will do will come under this project. So can you see now there's no emoji, there is no anything, and you can start using this. So this is a very good way of project that they have introduced. Keeps chat files and custom instruction in one place, and this use them for ongoing work or any project that you are doing. Like I do various things like making the post bold, doing WhatsApp summary. Can you see this summary? And then I just need to put here some stuffs, and then I can use it. So try to use these new features of ChatGPT, the project feature, and take your learning ahead.